case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1955, the Arizona Supreme Court heard the case of Mountain States Telephone and Telegraph Company v. Kelton, focusing on property owners' responsibility to prevent harm to the rights of others, such as easement holders, when conducting activities on their property. The lawsuit was filed by Mountain States Telephone and Telegraph Company, plaintiff, against defendants who had damaged the company's underground phone cable while clearing land for a residential and business subdivision. The plaintiff had an easement agreement with Central Avenue Dairy Inc. for the maintenance of the cable and was granted the right to lay the underground conduit for telephone and telegraph lines on July 27, 1928. The easement agreement stipulated that the company would not damage the owner's property, including livestock, equipment, crops, or interfere with their farming and dairying business on the premises. The lower court ruled in favor of the defendants, but the plaintiff appealed the decision. The court found that the property owners were negligent for not informing their contractor about the buried cable, and the contractor was also at fault for not being aware of the cable's existence. The lower court's judgment was affirmed in favor of the contractor, but reversed for the property owners, awarding the plaintiff $2,117.64, plus interest and costs. In conclusion, the Arizona Supreme Court emphasized the need for property owners to exercise reasonable care in conducting activities on their property that may affect the rights of easement holders, and take necessary measures to prevent harm to the involved party's property or interests.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.